As millions of people gather to celebrate the July 4th weekend, division between Americans over hot-button issues like abortion rights are deepening in the wake of the Supreme Court ruling. Connor Powell has the impacts across the country.
As our nation gears up to celebrate the July 4th holiday, Americans are marking Independence Day amid growing political divisions on several controversial issues like abortion rights.
That's what's interesting about the time we live in right now, is every state will have different laws on the books.
We have to recognize we're a nation that was founded on certain principles that are grounded in the concept of freedom and liberty.
The Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe versus Wade having an immediate impact across the country as states move to impose abortion bans or codify the right to abortion. Rallies are scheduled to take place in some cities on Sunday and Monday to advocate for abortion rights. South Dakota's trigger ban outlawing abortion went into effect immediately after Roe was overturned. The state's Republican governor, Kristi Noem, suggested she might be open to discussing paid family leave.
Many women feel as though when they have a pregnancy that's not planned, that it's a crisis situation, and we need to do a better job of supporting them.
Meanwhile, President Joe Biden met virtually with Democratic governors Friday on reproductive rights, saying if states block women from obtaining medication approved by the FDA, his administration will move in to protect them. His Vice President, Kamala Harris, spoke at the Essence Festival in New Orleans on Saturday, emphasizing the outsized impact the Supreme Court decision would have on low-income women.
We've had a history in this country of government trying to claim ownership over human bodies, and we had supposedly evolved from that time and that way of thinking.
In Texas Friday, the state Supreme Court partially granted the Attorney General's request to stay a lower court order which blocked a 1925 abortion ban. That order allows for civil enforcement of the ban.